Good afternoon, everyone. Patterns and diagrams. Distillation. Learning objectives. Understanding the definition and history of distillation. Explore the 15 example of distillation. What is distillation? A distillation is defined as a pattern of shape that covers a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Distillation can be found on pavements, windows, and wallpaper. History of distillation. Distillation originating from the Latin word distilla, refers from the division of trade into repeated trade patterns. Distillation were first found in the Sumerian civilization at approximately 4000 BC, where people used distillation design built from hardened clay to construct and decorate the wall of temples and homes. Similar patterns and artistic elements existed in different cultures all over words such as Arabic, Byzantine, Chinese, Egypt, Greek, Japanese, Morse, Persian, and Romans. The inspiration were probably from the nature. Honeycomb, for example, is a distillation consists of regular hexagon. MC Esther, the father of modern distillation. Esther commonly used geometric lines to form intricate interlocking design. This series regular division of the plane began in 1436. It's a collection of these distillated drawings, many of which feature animals. Number one example, square distillation. A pattern made by beating square in such as a way that they cover a plane with any gaps or overlaps. Ikatsa, number one, square distillation. A pattern made by repeating square in such a way that they cover a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Square fit together perfectly on a plane because their angles at up to 36 degrees at each vertex. Example 2, triangular distillation. A pattern created by repeating equilateral triangles fitting together perfectly on a equilateral triangles distillate because the angle each 30 degrees sum to 360 degrees at each point. Example 3, hexagonal distillation. A pattern formed by repeating hexagon that fit together without any gaps or overlaps. Hexagon distillate naturally because three of their 120-degree angles meet perfectly at a point. Example 4, triangle distillation. A pattern made by repeating rectangles arranged in a way that they cover a plane seamlessly, like square triangles distillate is easy because they can be arranged side by side without gaps. Example 5, parallelogram destination. A pattern created by meeting parallelogram fitting together without gaps or overlaps. Parallelograms can be filled applied by aligning their opposite side in securing no gaps or overlaps. Examples: Thrombus distillation. A pattern formed by repeating thrombuses covering a plane without any gaps or overlaps. Thrombus is displayed because the angle and side together in a repeating pattern. Example 7, regular pentagon distillation. A pattern made by regular pentagons combined with other shapes like triangles or a square to cover a plane without gaps. Regular pentagon alone can be distilled, but they can without the addition or overshape like triangles or square. Example 8, octagon and square distillation. A pattern that uses a combination of octagons and squares to cover a plane without gaps or overlaps. The combination works because the octagon angles leaves gaps that are perfectly filled by square. Example 9, chiropentagon distillation. A specific distillation pattern using a type of pentagon discovered in chiro that fits together without gaps. This distillation used specific types of pentagon covered in chiro that fits together without gaps. Example 10, semi-regular distillation. A distillation involving two or more types of regular polygons that fit together to cover a plane without gaps. These are distillations involving more than one type of regular polygons, like square and triangles together. Example 11, Windows bending distillation. A non-periodical distillation pattern using shape like key, and darts to discover a larger pendulums that never repeats exactly. Discovered by Roger Penrose, this non-periodical distillation use shape like key and darts to create pattern that never repeat. That's it. Yeah.
Good.
Example, the Borley distillation, a distillation that divides a plane based on distance to a specific set of points, often forming natural patterns. The distillation divides a plane based on distance to a specific set of points, often used in nature a natural pattern. Number 13, Islamic geometric patterns distillation. Intricate distillation using combination of stars and polygons common in historical Islamic art and architecture. This intricate distillation uses a combination of star and polygons in historical art and architecture. Example working is term distillation. Distillation featuring interlocking features, often animal or other shapes, popularly devised by the artist M.C. Esther. M.C. Esther artworks often introduce this interlocking animals or other figures creating fascinating visual puzzle. Example 15. Honeycomb distillation. A natural hexagonal distillation found in the beehives used for efficient shape usage and storage. Feature on hexagonal distillation found in beehive is an efficient way to use waste and store honey. Thank you for listening.
Yay!